The point I'm illustrating here is that you have the end of Christmas Song by Nat King Cole and the end of Yes, Jesus Loves Me by I Don't Know. So these two songs, what they have to do with one another is the chord progression, is the movements. Now, I've spoken before in other videos about the 2-5-1 chord progression, and that's all this is. You're just taking 2-5-1s, and each one is becoming the new 2 to the next key. So how I voiced it was this. This 2 here for D is 2 with a minor 7 flat 5. Typically, that's what's used, all right, in jazz and in gospel. So we go to the 5 chord for D. All right, dominant, and normally we would resolve it to a minor chord. It would be this, but we're resolving it to this. The reason is because this sets up the tension to be released again, and that's all 2-5-1s are really used for. Tension, release, tension, release. That's what music is. We build a tension here, 2, all right, 5, that wants to resolve back to the 1, okay? So this 1 now is really a minor 1 because it's for a major 2-5-1 chord progression. That's typically what you'll have. The 2 is either going to be a minor 7 flat 5 if you're going to a minor chord. It's going to be a minor chord if you're going to a major chord. So in other words, excuse me, this C here is minor, tells, or Merry Christmas to you. I'm not sure where the words are. So tells, and then we go to the F chord. All right, it's F6 here, or something like that, F13, right? It's a dominant chord, tells, and then we resolve here. So it's basically 2-5-1, 2-5-1, 2-5-1. That's how that works. So I'll give you the chords again. This is diminished over A. All right, you have your altered chord or Superlocrian scale. By, where are we going to now? If we go to D, we're going to go to G. Bull, excuse me. From G, we go to C, tells, B, and then we go to So. So, E flat, G, E flat, B flat, F, and then we go E flat, C, F, D. So resolve here. If this has been of any help to you, go check out my free guide at gospelprogressions.com/Gospel Keys Pro.